Let me be real with you first. The 2000p Sacagawea $1 is not a silver coin, and in normal condition, it's not $1 million coin. Most of them are worth only a little more than face value. But, and this is where your video gets exciting, there are a few rare versions special strikes and error coins tied to the 2000 Sacagawea dollar that can sell for shocking money, especially when the coin is in top grade or has a famous variety collectors chase like crazy. So the real story isn't every 2000p is priceless. The real story is a small number of them are absolute monsters in value, and people miss them every day. Now let's talk about what makes a 2000p Sacagawea dollar explode in price. This coin is a golden-colored dollar, made from a manganese brass clad over a copper core, so it looks like gold, but it isn't gold or silver. The mint mark P means it was struck in Philadelphia and millions were made. So if someone has a normal circulated 2000p, it's usually worth $1 to maybe a few dollars. But the moment you step into the world of collector demand, everything changes. Condition matters are a lottery ticket. A Sacagawea dollar that looks ordinary in your hand can become a completely different beast if it's in high mint state, with sharp details, strong luster, and clean surfaces. And when collectors compete for the best examples, the price doesn't climb, it launches. The real heat comes from the rare types people whisper about, the special early strikes and famous varieties. The biggest name in this story is a legendary 2000 Cheerio Sacagawea dollar, a coin that looks normal to most people, but has a different feathered detail on the eagle's tail, something only serious collectors recognize. This variety was accidentally released in a serial promotion and became one of the most hunted modern U.S. coins. Then there are presentation strikes, experimental finishes, and high-grade registry coins, where collectors fight to own the top-graded examples. These are the coins that turn a $1 piece into something that can sell for thousands, and in rare cases, for amounts that make people's jaws drop. The secret is this: the money is in the details, not the date alone. And don't sleep on errors, because errors are where modern coins become pure adrenaline. A 2000p Sacagawea dollar with the right kind of mint error, like an off-center strike, a dramatic die crack, a broad strike, a wrong planchet strike, or an extreme doubling, can become a collector's dream overnight. Most people don't even check for these things. They see a dollar coin and toss it in the drawer. But error collectors live for the unusual. They don't want normal. They want the coin that looks like it survived a glitch in the minting machine, because that's exactly what happened. And when the error is big enough and the coin is authenticated, the value can jump from pocket change to serious collector money. That's the moment where your video should hit hard. The coin that looks like a mistake can be the one that pays like a miracle. So if someone has a 2000p Sacagawea dollar, the smartest move is not to assume it's automatically worth millions, but also not to dismiss it. The right approach is to treat it like a potential sleeper. Handle it carefully. Don't clean it, don't polish it, and don't take the first offer from someone who's trying to buy it fast. The truth is, the Sacagawea dollar is one of those coins where the rare versions hide in plain sight, and the difference between just a dollar and a collector trophy can be a tiny detail that most people never notice. And that's what makes this coin so addictive. You're not just holding a dollar. You might be holding a story, a mistake, a rare variety, or a top-grade gem that collectors would fight to own.